We're not here to tell you what to do, but subscribe our channel, leave a comment or two. Watch the videos from our everyday life. Welcome to the House of Wise. Always sleeping. But I like the pillow. It's nice. So let's try and play this song. I've never played it before, so... Once there was this kid who got into an accident and couldn't come to school. But when he finally came back, his hair had turned from black into bright white. He said that it was from when the cars had smashed so hard. So we're back in the storage room again.
Yes.
To toss away a lot of shit.
Yes.
That we haven't used in years.
Yes.
As everything else that we've cleaned out and tossed away and so. Who cares anyway?
Det är bröllopstidningar.
Är det något du ska ha kvar?
Ja. Utifall att vi ska gifta oss igen.
Ja.
Det här var inte tomt.
What?
What have you found?
The lyrics to Far, jag kan inte få upp min kokosnöt by Povel Ramel. He was a really famous Swedish entertainer.
Do you recognize yourself, Maria?
Hi everybody! Hi! Welcome to the House of Wise. Oh, you got the retro thing going on. Don't look so sad. Smile and wave at the camera. Andy's gone like 6 years old again. Cardboard boxes and cardboard boxes. And if you think this is all, wait until you see all of this. Lot of boxes. Ataris. Vart är Vincent? I think he's somewhere. Har du letat ordentligt? Är brorsan borta? Where is he? There's Vincent. Wow! Har det kul? Hi. Hi. Shit, I just have to do this now. Bum, 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 bum. Hi boys. So, Jean-Pierre, what do you think about this episode so far? I think it's bullshit. I can't work with this kind of it's annoying. Okay. It's all about pussycats and cardboard boxes. Wait, and nobody wants to see pussycats and cardboard boxes. Well, it's not like that. Cause look, who wants to watch this? It's not cute. Come on, people like pussycats. I'm no way with it. I can't take it no more. You're just overreacting. I get mad. Furious. I can't take it anymore. I need something else to work with. Something inspiring, like giraffes on acid trips, I don't know. Maybe some MILFs smoking cigarettes. Something exciting that makes people wanna, ooh, I want to watch this. Cause I can't understand why people want to watch this show of yours called The House of Wise. What the f is that kind of name? The House of Wise? It should be the House of Lies. It's just a bunch of lies. What's the problem? You have to pay me more or I'll quit. I'll quit this show. But I'm tired. I can't take this no more. If you think our channel is the thing for you, there's not really much you should do but subscribe and comment. Show us you got class, or Mrs. Wise will whoop your ass. I think it's